answers. Why was he just one average Joe guy one day, and then all of a sudden, another day, he's seeing people come out of a wall?